today's tooltip, we will show you how to improve the surface finish on the gash on a corner radius tool. So ideally, when we do the gashing on a corner radius tool, we use the backside, the flat face, and do the gashing around the corner, and then it transitions into the end face. So it's very difficult to dress the backside of a wheel, or especially a 1v1 wheel, or any wheel, 1i1 or a 1v1 wheel, and maintain very good surface finish. So what we have done is, in the radius gashing operation, in the details page, we've got something new added, oscillation. So if you enable this oscillation, you can do the number of oscillations and specify the amplitude. So looking at the help image, you can see the count is the number of oscillations what we have introduced, and the amplitude is the distance of the oscillation. So if, say for example, you've got a 60-80 grit wheel, and if it's 0.08 or something is the grit of the wheel, we do around the 0.1 amplitude and go around the corner radius with these oscillations, and we get a much better surface finish on the corner radius along the corner. So it is surface finish and also improves the cutting edge quality, because the lines on the corner radius can transition into the cutting edge, but in this case it's a much better surface finish with less chips and a much better cutting edge quality.